Hello everyone, we're back for our third and final tail. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Get finally rid of it. Look how tight this box is. Okay. Here it is. Ooh, I know this is my third choice, but there are some pretty colors in here. Paper. Just look at that. We already saw it. Oh my goodness, you guys. The colors. Ooh, so pretty. Get us unfolded here. And again, we did 3 of them, but I'm just gonna go through everything just in case this is the only video you're watching because you like this color. So we have our really nice waistband. It's really big. That's where the stitching is. And we have our side fins, which are really thick, like extra fabric thick. Look at the coloring on this one. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Oh, I love it. Okay, and oh, and our fabric is nice and thick. It's so soft too. I can't believe how soft it is. Super stretchy. This is the extra small. I know you guys have no idea what size I am looking at me in this video, but I couldn't decide what size to fit. I finally, from the size chart, decided on the extra small, and I think it's going to be perfect for me. It's got that nice stretch. So I always like it to be a little bit tight because when it gets wet, it seems like fabric always gets like a little extra weighted. And I hate when there's like any type of like extra fabric or bunching or something. And I just feel like they look so much better when they're tighter. You don't see that leg line either. Okay, so let me bring these. Oh my goodness, look at the color in the camera. Oh, I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is my third choice with these bright colors. The website did not do it justice. Okay, so let me try to do this better. I want these scales up here again for anyone who had interest in what the scales look like. The detail is really, really pretty in these scales, for real. Here's a fin, just because, oh, look at the coloring. Oh, ah. Sorry. I'm squawking like a seagull. It's just so pretty. Okay, we step back again and get this fluke up here. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, look at those blue tips. Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like the detail in this one is like even better than the other ones. I don't know. Maybe it's the coloring. If you hear a little weird noise, that's my dog. I'm in my downstairs today. He looks like he's gonna start barking. He might come over here, we'll see. His name is Cupcake, for anyone who cares. I will be doing a video with him. He is the one who's a little bit sick right now, so. I know you guys are here for a tail, not a dog, so we'll do that separate. Unless he wanders somewhere. I hear his feet on the floor. Okay, so we did all that. Let's get to our zipper. Giant zipper. There it is. That's our big zipper. I just can't believe how big that zipper is. That is so nice. Inside is vinyl and Velcro. 2 V's. I can't handle my 2 V words. Vinyl and Velcro. So you can stick your monofin in there. This is like it's nice and floppy. It's a little bit, I won't call it heavy. It's not heavy. It's like a nice amount of floppy. See that? Once you put that monofin in there, I think that's going to be really nice. It's like the perfect flop for a fin. And there's our fin. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it because we had 1 and 2, so I'm not going to go crazy talking about this tail. I'm just going to tell you, oh my goodness, the color of this one. I cannot believe this was my third choice. The website did not do the coloring justice. Look at that thing. It's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. Keep watching. I don't know if they're going to have other sales. This is amazing, $280 for real. Amazing. I'm so excited. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do more, and I'd love to show everybody what I'm doing. I'll probably get the Finfolk Productions. I can't speak today, I'm so excited. I'll probably get a Finfolk tail soon so I can show everybody that. I'll show off my leggings, I'll show my dogs. I do lots of hair videos. Subscribe to see more. I would love, love, love to show you guys more of what I'm doing with my tails too. Okay, bye everyone.